I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this cute olive oil dispenser is from the brand Sweejar. Having this dispenser makes it easier to control the amount of olive oil that I'm using. I love how easy and well it flows out. Haven't had any problems at all with it leaking. And I love the matte finish. It feels really good in your hands. It's really easy to hold. And I love the tip that is that natural wood color. It is a really nice smooth matte finish, and I love the pop of color that it brings to the kitchen. They also have different colors to choose from. It's really high quality ceramic, nice and thick. I just love this olive oil dispenser, and I filled it up with olive oil, but you can use it for so many other different things like coffee syrups or vinegar or any other liquid that you want. We're really happy with this olive oil dispenser. If you're in the market for a ceramic dispenser, definitely check out Sweejar. This ceramic olive oil dispenser is everything I wanted and more, and that's my point of view.